Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Duty's World of Cooking. If you like the channel, please press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Thank you.
Today we are making prawns raw mango curry.
Let us start with the preparation. The ingredients which we use to make this dish is as shown. First we'll have to clean our prawns and devein it properly and keep it aside. Then grate about 150 grams of coconut. Cut one raw mango into small pieces. Keep it aside. As you can see, our grated coconut, 4 shallots, 1 pod of garlic, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now in a mixer you will have to add all these ingredients. The ingredients which we see now is used for the tempering. Bit of oil, add the coconut, grated coconut and the other ingredients into the mixer. The dish which we are making today is Kerala style dish and we are cooking it in a mud pot, which is again quite famous in Kerala. So if you don't have a mud pot, it's not an issue. You can try it out with a non-stick pan or an iron pan as available at your home. So as you can see, we have added all the ingredients. Now we'll be adding about half a cup of water and grinding it into a nice thick paste. As you can see, we have ground it and we have got a good paste, and we'll be shifting this into a bowl. We'll be using this in a while. By this time we'll have to add some oil onto the pan. As you can see, we are using a mud pan. Nowadays these types of pan is quite easily available. So we'll be slicing 2 number green chilies. If you're wondering about the size of the green chilies, these are quite special because they are homegrown green chilies. Now we'll just give it a light salt. Now we shall be adding the masala to our pan. So as you can see, the masala has come to a boil. Now we shall be adding our cut green mango. The mango has to cook properly into the masala so that it absorbs all the masala and gives a very good taste at the end. The masala is again boiling. Now we shall add our main ingredient, that is a prawn. So we are using about 250 grams of prawn. So stir well. Now add our chopped drumstick. Do remember to remove the skin slightly from the drumstick before adding it. The drumstick gives a very good flavor to the masala. Now add salt according to your taste. You added about 1 teaspoon and we are now giving it a good stir. I just like the color of the masala and it also smells good. Just check whether the salt is correct. Yeah, it's correct. Now we are adding an ingredient called kodampuli. This is available in Kerala. If it is not available at your place, you can add tamarind water instead. Kodampuli is just like kokum, just a different variety of tamarind. The masala has been cooking for about 5 to 10 minutes. Now as you can see, it is quite steaming nicely. We'll just stir with the full ingredients and the pot together and put it back and let it cook for a few more minutes. Now we shall see that our dish is ready. Now all the thing which is left is a bit of tempering. For the tempering, what we are doing is, in a small pan we are adding some refined oil and adding some mustard, and let the mustard to sputter. Once it sputters, we'll be adding a red chili. It is dried red chilies. We'll be adding a dried red chilies, and gives a very nice color to our dish. And here goes some curry leaves. The aroma from the tempered curry leaf is very nice. Now we shall be adding it directly onto the dish, and as you can see, our dish is ready. Please do try out this dish, it is quite tasty. The prawn has been cooked quite well. Please do leave in your comments. We shall have tasty times ahead with Kyuti's World of Cooking.